Good morning, guys. Excuse me, I'm full of a cold. Yeah, just a little quick update. This really is a quick video because I've got a ton of stuff to do and I'm not well. But yeah, quick update video. The room is tidy. It got finished, tidied up and finished the same day I did the video showing how messy it was. But it is now finished and there are a couple of different projects on the go that have been abandoned because I've been poorly. All this I still need to film videos on craft hauls and stuff, but yes, the room is tidy. I can actually see I've got a fantastic desk set up. I can see my sewing machine, but yeah, so there we go, guys. It's all done. And bless his heart, whilst I was doing this, Taylor came home. I hadn't quite finished. Taylor came home from school. He's like, what are you up to? So just give me 5 or 10 minutes, buddy. I just need to finish this bit of room off I'm tidying up. So when I'd finished, I shouted of him. I'm like, right, Taylor, I've finished now. And I've also found a couple of boxes in a basket that I don't need. So you can use them to put your stuff in if you want. And bless him, look what he's done. He tidied his side of the room up. Yeah, there's one of the baskets that I gave him. All the boxes and stuff that were piled up down here, boxes and bags, have gone because he put them all away nicely. He's took some stuff upstairs into his bedroom. There's one of the other boxes under the table. But yeah, bless him. I was like, you don't need to do it now. I weren't saying. He's like, no, you tidied your end of the room and I know how big of a job that must have been, so I'll tidy my end too. So bless him. Yeah, we did a big teamwork effort that day because I finished my side of the room and then I helped him with a bit of his. But yeah, so we tied it, and I found my typewriter. I can't remember which video I mentioned it in, but I mentioned about having an old typewriter, and I found it, and it is a Smith Corona. I thought in my head when I was talking about it that's what it were, but it sounded more like a lager or something. I'm thinking, no, I was thinking of John Smith. I'm thinking, no, that can't be right, but anyway, yeah. But yeah, so unfortunately my tutorial Thursday prototype didn't work, so I have to rethink that and redo that. I am in the middle of working on something else. This is a Matalan magazine. I'm working on a way of kind of making it an altered book, because it's already a book. Yeah, a couple of other projects, kits. This is an Ephemera's vintage garden kit. I've had it for what feels like forever and not done anything with it. Not going to plan because it's bigger than I thought. Well, wider when I fold it in half. The pattern on it is wider than I thought, so it's not going to fit in. Not properly anyway, but I'll figure my way around that. And this is how ill I am, guys. I am so poorly. Look what's in the other room. Oh, can you even see that? You can't even see that, can you? Look, there is a massive A3 printer sat there in the box, still in the box, unopened, and it's been there since Saturday, the day I did the film, the last video. It turned up about 45 minutes before we were ready for going out the door to my daughter's birthday meal. It turned up and it's been sat there in that box unopened since Saturday. It is now Thursday, so like 5 days. Mainly because, not apart from being ill, mainly because of nowhere to put it. It's alright buying these things, but then it's like, we didn't think of where on earth is it gonna go when we get it. So, but yeah, it's not going in here anyway. I've shown this before anyway, but the normal printer is there at the moment. That's where I sit in that corner. That's just the chair. And God, this video is so blurry. Right. It's because I was zoomed in. I hadn't realised. But yeah, there's the Eco Tank printer right next to where I sit. No idea where that one's gonna go. Absolutely no idea. Probably upstairs in the bedroom at this rate. My gosh, we haven't even taken it out of the box to see if it works yet. Oh wow. Anyway, mind you, I am still waiting for a delivery from Amazon of A3 paper. Can't test an A3 printer out if we don't have any A3 paper. I know we can use A4 paper, but that defeats the object of buying an A3 printer. So yeah, pretty miffed about that. There was a delivery supposed to come the other day, and everything was fine. I got a few updates from them. Your parcel is 8 deliveries, 8 stops away, whatever. And then at like 4:25 in the evening, I get a message off them saying, oh no, your parcel's being taken back to whoever, the depot or wherever, and you will be refunded because the item is damaged. It's a box of paper. But yeah, so I don't know what happened there, but I didn't get my paper and they refunded me, so happy days. But anyway, and just before I go, look at this, guys. Look at this. How cute is that? I'm not sure whether I showed this in the last video. I really don't think I did. But I've got to show it because it's so cool. Yeah, trick-or-treats. When we had Halloween, we got some trick-or-treaters and two lovely little girls. All of them are polite. The 2 lovely little girls turned up and one of them gave me this as a thank you. And look, on the back, it says, thank you for the treats, Scarlett. That's so awesome. Really, 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 really made my night, did that. I apologise if I already showed that in the other video. I can't remember, but yeah. Absolutely made my night, did that. And I'm going to sign off now, guys, because my throat's killing. I need a drink. But yeah, so, like I said, we have room, we have space. Videos are coming. In what order, I have no idea. But yeah, they're coming. Bear with me. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for your comments on the last video. Yeah. And just thank you in general. I'll see you soon. Goodbye. Where are you? There. Goodbye.